friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're going to do a little multi-palette bingo with my two Sugarpill palettes. I mentioned in my first impressions with the Capsule collection palette if you wanted me to do a multi-palette bingo with that in the fun size because I feel like they would pair nicely together, and you guys seemed really interested, so that's what I'm going to do today. This is pre-filmed. I don't know when this is going up. It might go up in the very beginning of March. It might be later. Who knows? It's the end of February now, but I'm pre-filming for my wisdom tooth removal, so that's fun. But in the meantime, we're gonna play with these two colorful palettes. I'm so excited. There is not a chance in the world that it's gonna be neutral. It's gonna be very bright, very colorful. It could be rainbowy. It could be more monochromatic if it leans more towards one color family. We will see. I'm very excited. I'm gonna randomly generate 3 shadows from each palette and put them on my eyes. Obviously, I don't know what they're gonna be, so I have no clue what the look's gonna be. This shirt might not be the same shirt I wear at the end if it doesn't go with it at all, but I figured something bright will probably go with something bright. But we will just have to see. This one's gonna be weird as far as how I number it, because normally I would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but this one is just so purely chaotic, so I'm gonna do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am gonna include the blush shade in this because why not? Might as well. See what happens. Yeah, I'm really excited. I don't know if I've ever done a palette bingo with anything Sugarpill, so this is going to be fun. I'm so grateful that I received both of these palettes in PR when they launched. I'm so grateful to be part of just Sugarpill's PR list and getting to experiment with these products with you guys. I'm having such a blast. I'm in love with the Capsule collection so far. By the time this video goes up, my 3 looks 1 palette will have already gone up. I filmed 2 of those looks as of right now, but so far I'm just having the best time and I can't wait to play with both of these together. It's gonna be so fun. All right, let's start with the fun size palette since that one came out first. We are going to set it up 1 through 9 right here, and I'm gonna draw out 3 shades for the fun size palette. Click, come on. Technical difficulties, let me refresh. So I've set my random number generator up 1 through 9 for the 9 shades in the fun size palette. I'm gonna draw 3 shades. We got 3. Why is it not working? I will just have to refresh it. Well, so far we got 3, which is Player 1. I love this shade. It's such a cute purple. By the way, Sugarpill shadows swatch horribly, but they look beautiful on the eyes. I'm just totally refreshing the page and restarting it since my phone won't regenerate the numbers. We got 8. We got high score. Orange is my least favorite color of the rainbow to play with, but it'll be fine because it's not like we're doing just an orange look. 1 pop of orange won't kill me. And I'm just gonna refresh and reset again. 1 through 9, we got number 3. Oh, we already did 3. Now I gotta refresh it again. All right, generate. We got 5. We got the shade Level Up, this really cute pink shade. So far we're having some like fruit punch sunset vibes. Let's move on to the fun size palette, or not the fun size, Capsule collection. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, we have it set 1 through 10. First we got, it won't work. All right, 1 through 10, we got number 10. So we got one of my favorite shades in the palette. We got the blue, it's called Slow Dive. This blue is absolutely stunning. Oh, it's so pretty. Such a good blue. We also got we got 10 again. Universe is against me today. All right, I am trying again. We got number 2. Oh, we got the green. This one is called Radiate. So far we're doing an all matte look. I really hope we get a shimmer. I mean, I knew we'd get all mattes from the fun size palette, but I really hope we get a shimmer with this palette. But so far this is looking very neon. It's gonna be really cool. Resetting this all again because it won't generate. All right, we got number 5. All right, well we got another matte. We got Baby Doll right there. Cute little lavender. Kind of throws off our neon vibes, but it's okay. I have no clue what we're gonna create. It's obviously gonna be bright. It's gonna be colorful. Neon. I'm just going to prime my eye with my Smashbox lid primer in light, zoom you guys in, and we'll get started. Alrighty, hello, I'm back. Eyes primed, not set because I don't like to set it with powder. And we're just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade first, Baby Doll, the lavender from the Capsule collection palette, and I'm taking that on a fluffy brush. This specifically is the Morphe M441. I don't have a special attachment to this brush. It's just, frankly, it's the brush I've been using with this shade for my 3 looks, so I don't want to dirty another brush. This gets the job done. And I want to swirl this pretty much all up in my crease, all up towards my brow, in my outer corner. I don't think I want this severely winged out, but I mean, we'll see. I feel like my eye looks always tend to get winged out. But for now, I'm gonna try to keep it fairly close. I don't really feel like putting this on my lower lash line. I think I want the green to take over the lower lash line, so I'm gonna leave this lavender just like that. Now picking up the Fun Size palette, I'm gonna take Player 1. I'm gonna take that on this medium size blending brush. It's a Spectrum B06. And this I want pretty much everywhere where I just put the lavender, but not quite as high up. I want this tucked a little more focused just in my crease. Actually, I want more of this focus here. I actually wish I hadn't put that right there, but that's okay. Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna blend that out like so. I love the way these shades blend. It's such a dream. The Capsule collection feels very similar to the Fun Size as far as the formula goes. Obviously the shimmers are totally different because there's no shimmers in the Fun Size, but the mattes seem to blend very similar. I can't speak on if it's for sure the exact same formula, but it feels very similar to me. Oh, I just don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna take the blue from the Capsule collection on this little Luxie 121 brush. I'm gonna tuck this in my outer corner specifically. I don't really want to carry this through the crease, but I'm also gonna take this on my lower lash line really close to my lashes. It's like I have a vague idea on what the look I'm gonna do is, but I also don't really know. What are you guys up to today? It's Sunday. Went to the gym already. Think we're gonna go thrifting because Zane needs more pants because he's shrinking out of his. And I think Mackenzie's coming over later to pick up her birthday presents. That's belated. And also come play Mansions of Madness with us. Oh my gosh, I love the way these blues and purples look together. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, do you see just how beautiful that already looks? I'm gonna go back in with just a little bit more Player 1 just to help buff this portion. Using a very light hand with this because I don't want to blow this out of proportion. I want to keep it focused where it's at. Oh, it's so just gentle and beautiful. Oh, it's stunning. I'm swooning over myself. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take the green now from the Capsule collection palette. I know I'm not picking it up every time, but you guys know what the shades are. I'm gonna take my Luxie 121, is that what it's called now? 249 dual-ended brush. I'm gonna take the blending side and really blend this out under my lower lashes. I love this green so much, and I specifically really like this green on my lower lash line. I don't know what it is. It's just so smooth and it blends like a freaking dream. And I love it with the blue. It's so pretty. I'm cool if this gets blended down pretty far because I like a very blown out, smoked out grungy lower lash line. Just gonna go back in with some more blue to smoke that out some more. Man, I'm already obsessed with this look and we have barely begun. Ooh, I love that. Let's see, what else do I have to play with? I have to play with the pink and orange. I kind of want the orange packed out here, which is kind of why I wish I didn't put the purple there too much because sometimes purple and orange can muddy out. But since it's such a small amount, I think it'll be fine. I can probably just like really blend this stuff kind of away so it's a little bit lighter. And then I want it to fade into the pink, which will fade into everything else. It's kind of what I'm feeling. Should we try it? Why not? I'm gonna go in with High Score first, that orange. This is an SL Miss Glam brush. It's a P15, but it's just a packing brush. I've barely given this orange the time of day, to be honest with you. People get offended when I say I don't like playing with orange eyeshadow. It's not that I think it's an ugly color. It's just my least favorite to play with for me. There's just other colors I'd rather play with when I think of the rainbow. To me, I lump oranges a little bit more into the neutral category, which obviously this is not a neutral color, but that's just what my mind lumps it in. And then when I want to play with neutrals, I don't want to play with orange. So I don't know. I'm flipping that brush over and taking Level Up, that beautiful pink. And that's going to be popped right here. You could definitely get a similar vibe to this look with this palette, with just the Fun Size, I mean. It wouldn't be like the blue won't be as dark because the shade 8-bit in this palette's a little bit more of a periwinkle than a blue. But you could definitely get a similar vibe if you guys wanted to recreate this but only have the Fun Size palette. Just kind of going back and forth with both sides of the brush to merge the pink and orange together. And I didn't want the orange to go too far in because I don't want it to start meshing in with those blues and purples because Orange and blue are complementary, and I don't want any muddiness when they touch. Everything else should be pretty smooth though. Just taking that brush I used with the Player 1 shade, that darker of the two purples, just to help mesh. I'm gonna go back in for a little bit more pink. I think I might do a big winged liner with this look too. I think that could be cute. I've been into a wing again lately, I don't know why. Wow, this is so pretty. It's so bright. I really, really like this. I might not do a wing. Oh, I can't decide. Well, regardless, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I have to do that anyways. I'm just gonna use my face highlight. I'm using the Lethal Cosmetics Ionic. It's super pretty. I've been wearing this nonstop ever since I got it. I'm just gonna pop this in my inner corner for a cute little pop. Can't not have an inner corner highlight, if you ask me. I just think it completes a look so nicely. Oh, so pretty. Well, I guess I'm gonna recreate this on the other eye. I don't know what eye pencil I want yet, or lip color or anything like that, so I'll discuss those details when I get back. And I still don't know if I want a wing yet or not. I bet some of you are screaming like, don't do a wing, or do a wing, do a wing. I just can't decide. I guess we'll just see where my laziness is at by the time it's time to potentially draw one. Alrighty. Alright, hello, I'm back. This is the final look. I love it. It's just so neon and bright and colorful. I feel like Lifesavers, like the rainbow pack of Lifesavers, that's what I feel like. I think it's so lovely. I ended up opting out of the wing. Once I had the second one on, I was like, there's no way I'm putting a wing on this. I think it's so pretty just by itself. I love it. I can't wait to wear it for the rest of the day. Oh, I think it's so cute. My eye pencil, I actually steered into the orange a little bit. Aren't you proud of me? I went with the Ounce pencil from Colourpop just to really draw some extra attention to that pop of orange. My lashes are the Bay lashes from Colourpop. I'm still so indecisive if I like these or not. They're just so, I don't know, like they're long, but the band is so skinny, which makes it easy for beginners, but for me it's like, I don't know how to explain it. I'm on the fence. And on my lips I went with the Flicker Gloss from Sugarpill. It's mostly a bronze-based sheer gloss, but it has sparkles in it that are different colors. So I felt like that would kind of go with what was going on my eyes. And I just wanted a simple, easy gloss, you know? So yeah, this is the final look. This was my palette bingo. I feel like this was a fun palette bingo. The palette bingo gods were on my side. This is a fun one. What did you guys think of what I did? Which of these two palettes is your favorite? If you have to pick a preference, which do you pick? Oh, I don't even know what I would pick. It's hard because I love the Fun Size palette. Like, they're the most beautiful pastel neons. It's so cute. But I'm really having fun with this Capsule palette. It's so fun. I'm sorry, I can't pick, so you don't have to pick if you don't want to, because I can't even decide. I love them both so much, and they paired so nicely together. I love this look, and this was fun. If you made it to the end, leave a rainbow emoji. That makes sense. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.